So now you have a line drawing of the vessel or a contour drawing. And except for the ellipse at the very top, it really is, it looks pretty flat. So how are we going to make this look round? Well, let's go back to our object and take a look at it. And imagine that this object is in front of you. Where does the light come from? It looks like it's coming from the left because this side is in highlight, and this side, as that pot turns away from us in space, it gets really dark over on the right side. This object also has texture and it has pattern, but for this lesson we are going to focus on the value of this. So we're going to start to add value to the right hand side, and we're going to shade this object so that it is very dark on the right side, getting much lighter as it comes to towards the middle. Now, if you have never shaded before, that's something that you might practice for a minute before doing this, just on copy paper or something. With whatever pencil you're using, let's see how dark that will get. And then let's begin to apply less pressure, and as you reduce the pressure gradually, that's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter until it fades away. So you can see that with the same pencil, you can create a very dark value all the way to a very light value in a grayscale. So we're going to add that value on the right side because that's where we see that value as the darkest. And as we get to the middle, it's lighter and lighter. And it's going to sort of follow the contour of the pot. And again, always observing the image that we're drawing. Come back over and begin again, and it's going to be a very gradual process of shading this right side very dark, and as we come to the middle, it gets very light. Now in a minute I'm going to pause this and I'm going to do a time lapse, and that way you can see this and it won't take too long then. But as you can see that this is beginning now, this shading is beginning to give this drawing the illusion that it is three-dimensional.